Well, hello, I'm Fred Ritchey. I'm the Dean of the School of Aviation at LETU University, and I'm standing on our flight ramp here next to one of our Piper PA-44 Seminoles. And to your my left, your right, is one of our American champion ECA Centabrias with a student and instructor getting ready to go on a lesson. And behind you is another American champion ECA Centabria with an instructor and a student getting ready to fire up and go for a lesson as well. So we are, as you can see, we have our own fuel pump and we own all these aircraft here. We're at the beautiful East Texas Regional Airport. And so we have a great training facility here, lots of runway space, lots of airspace for training, and very little airplane traffic, which is really, really important for our students. It really helps them to be able to continue and complete their training on time. So anyway, so welcome to LETU and the Abbott Aviation Center flight ramp.